Hello, John Murtaugh, Vice President, MCI Flowtronex. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about pump station technology and maintenance. So today's pump stations talk to you a lot more than you probably want them to, and they send you messages. Some of them can be very annoying messages. We've set up our system to send maintenance notifications. And believe it or not, some people really need these, and it helps them keep things on track. So let's talk a little bit about them and how easy they are to set up and how easy they are to turn off. So we're in this particular pump station here. We're going to go down to station maintenance. Within station maintenance, you've got a number of icons up here that you can see, all related to the station maintenance. So one of them is called maintenance alarms setup. So we'll go into maintenance alarms setup. Now across the top of the page, you have one general pump station. So let's talk about general pump station. It's not enabled, so we'll enable this. Now it is enabled. And every 2,000 hours, it's going to send a message, or 12 months, whichever comes first, and tell you it's time to do maintenance on the pump station. When you get that message, you come right back here and hit the reset button. And that will reset this from 0, because that means you've run out of time, back to 2,000 hours and 12 months. And that goes for all of this. This is your oil per motor. So each motor, you can turn on the oil notification. So every 2,000 hours, it's going to tell you to change your oil. It particularly is nice is if you have to replace pump 2 or motor 2, you can come in here and reset it and start over with your new motor so you know when the oil's due on that motor. Same thing for electrical, pump performance, a number of other things, filter maintenance. And we'll talk about electrical because it's every 12 months, but it's very important that the electrical maintenance be performed because with the low harmonic vibration of motors and pumps running on a skid, connections can tend to become loose. They get hot, they get cold over the years, and tightening them up is very simple, very easy. If you don't do it, it can be very expensive, it becomes hot, damages property, got to replace parts. So that's it.